Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw issue analytics from Trello into Tableau with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have access to both Trello and Tableau. Log into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where the issue analytics you want to extract are located. Take note of the specific lists and cards that contain the relevant data. Open Tableau and create a new project. Select the Connect pane on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to find Web Data Connector and select it. In Trello, click on the menu icon located on the right side of your board. Choose More and then select Print and Export. Select Export as JSON to get the data in a format that Tableau can read. Copy the URL that appears in the Export window. Return to Tableau and paste the JSON URL into the URL field for the Web Data Connector. Click Enter or OK to fetch the data from Trello. Tableau will begin loading the data from Trello. Once the data is loaded, you will see a preview window showing your Trello data structure. Review the fields displayed in Tableau and ensure they match your expectations. If needed, you can modify the data source by filtering or aggregating data points. After confirming that the data is accurate, proceed to the Sheet tab. Here, you can drag and drop dimensions and measures to create your visualizations. Utilize Tableau's AI features for insights, such as asking questions about your data for automated analysis. Once your visualizations are created, you can customize them further with formatting options. Save your Tableau workbook to ensure your progress is not lost. Finally, share your Tableau dashboard with your team to provide access to the issue analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.